Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to make your study sessions more effective and enjoyable. Ever felt like your brain just can't hold on to all that information before a big test? It's a common feeling, and trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a game-changing memory hack that can make all the difference? Today, I'm going to share with you the loci method, also known as the memory palace technique, to help you memorize chemical elements effortlessly. Imagine this. It's the night before your chemistry exam. The clock is ticking and the pressure is mounting. You're staring at that long list of elements, feeling completely overwhelmed and unsure of how you'll remember everything. But instead of cramming and stressing out, you decide to use the loci method. This ancient technique has been used for centuries to enhance memory, and it's incredibly effective. Here's how it works. You associate each chemical element with a specific familiar object. This way, you create a vivid mental image that's hard to forget. Then, you mentally place these objects along a path you know well, like a walk through your house. Let's break it down. Picture your living room. This familiar setting will serve as the foundation of your memory palace. The first element on your list is hydrogen. It's the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. Now, imagine a giant balloon filling up the room. Hydrogen is a gas, so this association makes sense. The balloon is so big that it almost touches the ceiling, making it an unforgettable image. Next, you move to the kitchen. Here you have helium, another light and abundant gas. Visualize a bunch of floating party balloons. Helium is the gas that makes them float. These colorful balloons are bobbing around the kitchen, creating a lively and memorable scene. Continue this process, placing each element in a specific location with a distinct object. For example, lithium could be represented by a battery in your study room, and beryllium by a shiny gemstone in your bedroom. Fast forward to the day of the test. You're sitting at your desk, ready to tackle the exam. You receive your paper, and to recall the elements, you mentally walk through your house. Each room and object helps you remember the corresponding element. As you walk, you see that giant balloon in your living room, hydrogen. The image is so vivid that it instantly comes to mind. In the kitchen, those floating balloons remind you of helium. The colorful scene makes it easy to recall. This method allows you to retrieve each element easily, as if you're just walking through your memory palace. And guess what? It's not just for chemistry. You can use this technique for any subject. You confidently answer every question correctly. The sense of accomplishment is incredible. Your teacher is surprised, and you've just aced your test. The hard work and smart studying have paid off. So, next time you're prepping for an exam, give the loci method a try. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way you study and retain information. Not only does it make studying more fun, but it also helps you remember information much more effectively. You'll find yourself enjoying the process and feeling more confident. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow for more awesome study hacks. We're here to help you succeed. Good luck with your exams and happy studying. Remember, with the right techniques, you can achieve anything.